Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Kuga. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. Now I think this will come up on its own. Yes, it's come up straight away, Ford audio, but just to show you kind of what's going on, if we click on phone there, no phone, click on Bluetooth, select active phone, select active Bluetooth audio device, debond device. So Bluetooth is on. If it doesn't come up straight away there, then that should go off. So it's not picking up anything. So we'll just go through that again. So from any screen, first of all, just make sure you've got menu and you've got phone, click on phone, click on Bluetooth, and then make sure that's on. It will now find the device, click on Ford audio.
Please enter the PIN code shown on the radio display into your mobile phone.
There you go, and it's showing 2411 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I won't be using the vehicle again, but you will, so I'm going to put don't allow, but you'd allow, and it's connected. Barry's iPhone 11 is bonded now.